Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So today we are going to learn about some helping verbs which are also called as an auxiliary verbs or modals. Now let us learn these modals part by part. So the first modal that we are going to learn today is can. Now can is used in multiple places, like can will talk about the present situation, can also talk about the future situation. So can talk about the ability, can talk about the capability, and can also be used for permission. Now let us learn one by one through examples. So can talking about the ability. I can swim very well. I can speak English fluently. Can talking about the capability. I can climb the hill very fast. I can climb the stairs. I can lift 20 kgs. Now can talking about the permission. Can I come in? So here when we talk about the permission as a question, we should use can before the subject. Similarly, talking about could. Could means we are talking about the past possibility. For example, I could swim in the well in my childhood, but now I can't. I could run very fast, but now I can't. So here we understand that since they are the helping verbs, we can use not directly with can and could to create negative statements, like can becomes can't for negative, could becomes couldn't. I can swim, I can't swim. I could swim, I couldn't swim. So guys, keep watching,